Alrighty, Jay, here's your 572 Hemi. Just got done running it. Everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. The foundation is the Indy aluminum block. It's got the Edelbrock cylinder heads on it. Modman manifold, the Edelbrock carburetors. Got their March serpentine setup up front. Custom ground solid roller. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, 588 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 696, pretty good. Looks like it peaks horsepower 702. We rated at 700. It's got a front end on it, so it's really good. So we'll get it off here, get in our crate, come your way. Have a great day.